Hi, this month, April, we are celebrating Article 24, a right to good food, clean water and to see a doctor if you're ill. So there's three different things to explore here. First of all, good food. You could do an eat well plate, which you may have, I'm sure you've learned about in school, thinking about the food that you eat and what is healthy food, have conversations about what we could do with more of, what we could do with less of. You could draw this, you could paint it, you could bring things in and discuss it. Secondly, let's think about water and how we access water. I challenge you to think about how many times you use water during the day. Think about when you get up in the morning and you clean the teeth and you go to the bathroom. Do you drink a glass of water? Do you have a cup of tea? What happens when you're at school? And then have a little think about, do all children have access to water like this? Is there any ways we could conserve our water? And how do you help save water in your life? And the last one, about seeing a doctor when we're ill. Do you know where your local doctor's is? Do you know how to get help if you need it when you're unwell? We look forward to hearing about some of your work. Maybe you could share with us on @ChildCon Wales. Article 24, the right to good food, clean water and see a doctor if you're ill.